Hi everyone, it's day 25, and if you haven't gotten a Christmas tree yet, I want you to think about something. Instead of a huge tree this year, how about buying a small one? You can set it on a table or on a stool, and it will give you the visual effect of a much taller tree. But guess what? It'll cost half as much, decorating will take half as long, and with half the decorations necessary. Isn't that a great idea? I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson, with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.